Google just leaked their entire AI arsenal, and guess what? It's 100% free. While people are spending $20, $200, even $600 a month on AI tools, Google quietly dropped 7 professional-grade AI products that can replace your entire tech stack. No credit card, no trial period. Just pure, unrestricted, industrial-strength power. And this isn't the write my email stuff. These tools can help you build full apps, generate podcasts, create videos, design interfaces, do deep research, run your business, and automate your entire workflow with 0 subscriptions. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through Google's 6-tool workflow that creators, researchers, and entrepreneurs are using right now to turn a week's worth of work into minutes. So grab your seat. Your unfair advantage starts right now. NotebookLM is like your personal research lab powered by Gemini. Upload anything: PDFs, ebooks, web pages, Google Docs, your research papers, and it instantly becomes your interactive learning engine. You can ask, summarize chapter 5, compare these authors, explain this like I'm 10, turn this into a blog post, write my project proposal. But NotebookLM is not just text. Upload your material. NotebookLM turns it into a studio-quality podcast. 2 AI hosts discuss your content like a real conversation. Perfect for learning on the go. Students use it, entrepreneurs use it, researchers love it. NotebookLM creates animated explainer videos from your notes. Perfect for training, content creators, teachers, YouTube channels, pitch decks. 0 editing required. It automatically converts your entire research into a mind map, showing connections, key ideas, subtopics, patterns you didn't even notice. Click Quiz Me. Boom. Instant MCQs, flashcards, revision tests, memory boosters. No tuition teacher needed. NotebookLM alone is worth dollars, and Google gives it free. Next up, Gemini, your AI command center. Gemini isn't a chatbot. It's your AI operating system. Ask it to write, code, translate, generate images, build websites, analyze data, summarize meetings, edit video scripts, plan campaigns. But what makes Gemini insane is integration. In Gmail, summarize this 55 email thread. In Drive, extract insights from all 27 PDFs. Gemini reads your data and produces instant insights. This is why businesses are switching. Type, explain universal basic income in a 5-chapter deep report. Gemini produces sources, quotes, graphs, concept flow, and a final summary. This replaces ChatGPT Pro, academic AI tools, paid research assistants. Generate logos, thumbnails, product photos, anime, 3D models, characters, portraits. And they updated the model. The images look Mid-Journey level now. VO is only partially free, but even the free version shocks people. Text to video, graphics to video, storyboards to animation. Hollywood is watching this closely. Now let's build your own tools with Google AI Studio. Imagine building your own chatbots, agents, custom workflows, internal tools, customer support AI, knowledge-based bots, without coding. AI Studio is Google's software factory. Upload data, create prompt, publish API, use in your website or app. Businesses are saving thousands using this alone. Set temperature, 0.1 logical, 1.0 creative, 2.0 wild brainstormer. Plus, multimodality for text, image, video, code. AI Studio Live shows API behavior, conversation memory, model changes, user flow. Once you've tested your model, deploy it and generate an API key. Embed on a site or plug into internal dashboards for automated reporting. This is what developers and enterprises use. Next, let's design a UI in minutes with Stitch. Stitch turns plain English into real UI designs. Type your screen in English. Stitch generates screens, buttons, navigation, layouts, color themes, icons. Then export to Figma for engineers. 0 design skills required. Workflow: 1. Build app logic in AI Studio. 2. Generate UI in Stitch 3. Export to Figma. 4. Hand off to developers. 5. Deploy. Video is the most dominant form of content online, but its production remains time-consuming and expensive. VO is Google's answer. Turn text, images, and storyboards into compelling video clips. It handles editing and animation, so you focus on story. Generate multiple variations for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts in minutes. Best use, make VO the final step in an AI pipeline. Add music from a royalty-free library and generate a voiceover. For many creators, VO cuts hours or days down to minutes. Hollywood-level power without Hollywood-level pain. If you're watching this, you now know what most people don't. Google is building a free AI ecosystem that replaces ChatGPT+, Midjourney, Canva, Notion AI, Jasper, Figma plugins, Descript, Zapier, research assistants, social media agencies, video studios. This is your moment, your advantage, your shortcut to getting 10x more done in 10x less time. If you want more breakdowns like this, AI scripts, business tools, trending news, subscribe to Wake Up Highlights right now. This is the future of productivity, and you've just unlocked all of it. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.